Hello everyone, the 442s albums are out now on iTunes and Google Play, and also some of these stores soon. There's the World Cup album,
featuring Why the Flag, please fasten your seatbelts.
I Like Song and Dance,
Shoulders, knees and toes and elbows.
Ow! Youth Warriors,
God save your national team.
A Blind Linesman,
How he sleeps.
and Thomas Holmuller.
Friends have gone.
There are also songs from the 442's daily advent calendar featuring the special man,
The farewell handshake from Keith.
not fucking like they've had mois.
He is nothing done.
Aussie Winger, Piasma Radio Tweet, such like
And on a song or two, okay?
Champions League night.
And me again, cause I'm the best. And finally, there's the 442's 442s Volume 1, featuring me again.
Jose's bus has parked again.
me, Tim. You are my Chile.
Small in the wardrobe.
A planky died in.
My song, which is longer than 38 seconds.
Oh, I'll lift your star-spangled.
And me and my pet alien. Jingle bells for us and there we beat men shake away.
I'm giving away 10 free albums.
Here's how to win.
YouTube. All you have to do is like and comment on this video. On Facebook, share and comment on this video.
On Instagram and Vine, tag 2 friends in the song release video.
On Twitter, all you have to do is retweet the song release post, okay? But we don't want any comedians. You must be a follower, okay? You have until 5 p.m. UK time on Monday to enter. Thanks to everyone who's still watching the videos. It's up to 70 million views now and 300,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. See you soon.
I want a practice shooting.